me, my husband, my family. So this has become a very personalized corner where I love to see these pictures and remember those memories. Each picture has got a story of itself. Hey guys, if you have liked this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, do write in the comment section about your views of this video and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I come online, you get notified. Okay, bye bye.